Hello everyone, how are you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and doing well at your home. So students, in last class we all of you learned about TuxPen, how to draw the TuxPen, how to edit it, how to put the magical effects, how to use the save. Yes or no? If you didn't attend that class, then you can go through my previous videos. I will put the link in this video also. Okay, so let's start. Today we will learn about how to save and how to open the TuxPen and how to do the slideshow. Okay, so let's start. First, all of you know we have to double click on the TuxPen icon on our desktop screen. So just do the double click on it. It will open. It will take some time to open the application. Okay, so we have to wait till it open. So today we are going to draw a new one, and that picture we will going to save. So first we are going to select. So all of you know how to do the new one. First click on new, then the pictures, the images, everything is shown to you. Okay, the solid colors also shown to you. You have to select according your requirement. So today we are going to start a new picture and we will save it and again open it. Okay, so first to draw a new picture we have to click on new. This is already new, just showing to you. I am clicking on the new option. Then after you can select any color. I am taking the white. Okay, then click on open. Done. Now I am going to taking the shape. I want a circle. I want to erase the small one. Okay, after that I want to fill it in a single color. Done. Then I am going to add some magical effects on it. I selected magic. Then after I am going to select the grass. This thing you can do by doing the dragging. Already I told you in my last video how to do the dragging and how to do all this. Okay, if you want more anything you can add the any magical effects you can add over here. Okay, I can add a water droplet like this. It will shown to you. You can add the mosaic effect. So you can do it by just clicking once. So my picture is ready. Now I'm going to save it. To save it we have to click on save option. You can see in the toolbar you can see the save option. Here we have to click on the save option. So just once you have to click, the left click you will do. So just click the save option. Look, the save is unable to see now, unable to click. If I am clicking on it again, then it is not going to work. Why? Because I already saved it. So now it is done. I can take the new one. After we will open. Okay, so it is done, but we want our drawing to open what I did last. So just click on open. You can see all the set pictures are shown to me. Click which picture you want. We did it last, so you will click on it. Just see, when I click any picture the outline is blue, that means it is selected. So just see the last picture when I clicked it, it's shown to us in a blue circle. That means it is selected. Then after you have to click on open. Okay, look, our picture is coming right now. We can add something more on it. We can add also ripples, real rainbow. Okay, I don't like the rainbow, so I am just removing it. So you can add anything. I am just showing to you. Okay, after that again you can save it, because we did some changes, right? So we have to again save it. So after click on yes, replace the old one. If you want to replace it, then you can click on yes, replace the old one, otherwise no, save a new one. So if you click on no save a new file, then there are two picture will be saved, the previous one, this image previous one, and what you did the changes again that one. So I want to replace the old one. Okay, then after what you will do, you are going to quit the TuxPen. So after doing your work, what you will do, you are going to quit TuxPen. So to do that, quit tool is used to close the TuxPen program. So first you have to click on quit option. You can see in the bottom, just near the print option, you can see the quit option. Just click on it. So the message, there are two messages comes in a message box. Do you really want to quit? Yes, I am done. No, take me back. So if you will click on yes, I am done, then the program will close and you will get back to your desktop screen. But when you are going to click on no, take me back, then look, when I click on it, I am going back to the picture again. I went back to the drawing again, right or not? Yes. So when I click on yes, I am done, just see, I click on it, yes, I am done. Do you want to save it? If you quit, you will lose your picture. Save it, but I already saved it, so I am clicking here no, don't bother saving. So I am just clicking it, then the program will get closed. Okay, you can see it, the TuxPen program is automatically closed after quitting it. So now I am going to tell you how to do the slideshow in TuxPen. What do you mean by slideshow? Slideshow means one picture will come after another one, okay, one by one. So the picture will come one by one, whatever picture you saved in your TuxPen. So just first open it, because I already closed it, that's why. Just open it, click on open option. You have to click on slideshow. So after clicking the slideshow, you are going to select your pictures. Why we are going to select the pictures? Because if you select your picture, then the picture will come accordingly like that. Okay, so first you are going to select which picture you want to see first. Suppose I want the fish first, then I select one. Look, it's showing here one. Then I want the flower, then I want the hen, then I want the scenery, then the hat, then the penguin. Okay, look, there is the numbering, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the total number of pictures you can see on your saved program, saved file. Then after you can just select it after clicking the slideshow, then just do the play option, just click on it. Look, it will come automatically, no need to click anything. Okay, if you want to go back to your TuxPen, then you can click on the back button. So when I click on the next, the slideshow is going on, but when I am going to click on the back button, then it will stop. Just see. Okay, when I click the back button, the slideshow will stop, otherwise it will going on like that automatically. Except our back button, it is not going to stop. So I hope all of you understood about TuxPen. It is very easy chapter and very fun loving software. I hope all of you enjoyed it during this chapter. If you have any query, just comment in this video, otherwise you can text to me. Okay, and just stay at your home safely and do your work properly. Thank you.